Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem here given if 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon y plus z plus 1 upon z plus x is equal to 7 upon 6 and z upon x plus y plus x upon y plus z plus y upon z plus x is equal to 11. Then find the value of x plus y plus z. So let here any variable like a is equal to x plus y plus z. This question we can solve by many methods, but I am telling you here one of them. Here write first equation 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon y plus z plus 1 upon z plus x is equal to 7 upon 6. And in this equation we can multiply by x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z multiply with 1, so this is x plus y plus z divided by x plus y plus x plus y plus z is divided by y plus z and x plus y plus z divided by z plus x. And here multiply 7 with 7 upon 6. So here x plus y plus z we can write a. So 7 upon 6 a. Okay. We can write x plus y plus z or a. Here if we divide x plus y divided by x plus y we get 1 and this is z divided by x plus y. Okay, we simplify like that. And here x upon y plus z and y plus z divided by y plus z we get 1. Here x plus z divided by z plus x we get 1 and y divided by z plus x is equal to 7 upon 6 a. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is 3 and z upon x plus y plus x upon y plus z plus y upon z plus x is given value from here, okay, which is 11. Okay, so this value we can substitute here. This one and this one value is 11 is equal to 7 upon 6 a. 3 plus 11 14 is equal to 7 upon 6 a. Here 7 upon 6 multiply, other side divide. So a is equal to 14 divided by 7 upon 6, it means multiply 6 upon 7. 7 times 1 7, 7 times 2 14. So a value is 12. 2 times 6 12, and this is the answer. So this question we can solve by many methods, but I feel this method is very easy and very quick for competitive exam. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt in any step, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.